Are you curious to know how you can play around with the report that was shared with you? Stick around because in this video we will show you 3 ways that will enhance your self-service data discoverability. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you are a report consumer, then this video is for you because we will show you 3 ways you can play around with the report that was shared with you. Let's head over to my Power BI service and get started. I'm in my Power BI service and I'm going to click on this demo app that was shared with me. This demo app is about the average length of stay for multiple hospitals throughout several years. Each owner is responsible for a location. How can I, as a report consumer, be able to play around with this app? First option is to use the filter pane. The filter pane can be accessed here. If you cannot see the filter pane, it means that your report author has disabled it. So you need to contact your report author to enable it. This filter pane shows you all of the filters that are applied on a visual. So if I click on this visual, I can see the filters on it. So I see that it is for August 2023, and then the overall ALOS is for all of the days, and then for all of the years. If you want to change, you can either click on here, or you can go ahead and choose the year that you want from the slicers that were added. Another type of filtering is the exclude and include filter. Let's say we are in our ALOS trend here, and we are only interested in the September results. So you don't want to see the June, July, August results when you use this app. So what you can do, you can click on the data point here and you can exclude it. And then I exclude June and I also exclude August. And now I can see September. And what you can also take it one step further is you can add a bookmark. So that way, every time you open this app, you are not obliged to do all of this all over again. Check out our video because we have a video on bookmarks and how you can enable them and use them. If you have made a mistake and you still want to include something, you click here and then you X and you can see it again. Another filter type is the drill through. So if your report author has enabled drill through, if you click on the top 10 services by ALOS and I right click on psychiatry, I can drill through and go to this page that is going to show me the monthly ALOS for the psychiatry service in my hospital. And then I click back and I am redirected to the main page. So this is a first option as to how you can play around with your report using the filters that will help you get further information out of your report. Another way you can play around with a report that was shared with you is to use the Q&A visual that was added by your report author. Q&A visual is the fastest way to get answers from your data and also explore and find exactly what you are looking for. If you see here, this is the Q&A visual. This is what it looks like. Here we have a suggestion that says top 10 services by ALOS. If I click on it, I will get the answers that I want. So these are the top 10 services by ALOS. You can even write your own question. So let's say we want the bottom 10 services. Click, and now you are able to see it. If you are a report author and you would like to know how you can improve your Q&A visual so that it can be more effective and enhance your report consumer experience, let us know in the comment so we can drop another video explaining how you can do it. But mainly, it is about using the synonyms and also adding your own suggestion and teaching your Q&A to get exactly what you want. Third option and final option to play around with the report that was shared with you is to use the personalized visual. This one is also like the Q&A and the filters. If you cannot see the header icon on a visual for personalized visual, it means that your report author has not enabled it and you can ask him to do it. What does it look like? So if I come to the top 10 services by ALOS here, you can see this icon that says personalize this visual. If you are not okay with using a tree map and you find it very confusing, with this icon, you have the option to change the visual type that you wish to see. So visual type, I'm gonna say I'd like to see it in a table. And then instead of using the service, you want to see the department. So you can also do that by clicking on the icon and then looking for the department name. And then you would like to keep the ALS, you can also change it. So this option is very useful whenever you have a problem with a visual type, especially that those kinds of apps have a broader audience. So it is kind of hard to please everyone. With this icon, you have the freedom to choose the visual type that you want. How to take it one step further, it's going to be the same as filters. So let's say I am done with my changes. So you come here and then you add a personal bookmark. Let's say I'm gonna say my personal bookmark, PB, and then I'm gonna make it a default view and I'm gonna save it. So now every time I open this app, I will have the changes that I have just made. So everything related to filtering, to Q&A, and personalized visual. So let's test it. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna click again. And as we can see here, I have my table. I have these 2 months, and I also have the Q&A saved the way I want. If you are not sure that you like this table, you can reset it using this, and you would go back to the way it was, and then you can update your personal bookmark here. You click on update, and now when you go back, you click on demo, you're supposed to see a tree map. This is the tree map. So those are the 3 ways that you can use to play around with a report that was shared with you. The filters, the Q&A visual, and the personalized visual. If you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. And let us know in the comment section if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye!